Hey guys, I have never been so humiliated in my life.
Okay guys, I just want to share my almost similar sentiment na na-experience ng ating kababayan si Boss Jeffrey sa US. I too was embarrassed when I was denied entry at this mall dito mismo sa bansa natin sa Pilipinas. Sabihin ko ba yung pangalan? Okay, sige. I will mention the name para next time alam na nila kung paano nila bibigyan ng instruction ang kanilang mga staff. Ang pangalan po ng mall ay Mall of Asia. It's the place where I plan to see the 12 a.m. Superman premiere. While I was wearing my Superman shirt in support of the movie, the guard said that I need to have a ticket before he will let me in. And I told him, yes, I will buy ticket inside. So please let me in. And he said, all tickets are sold out and there's no more ticket inside. He said that I can only get in. He will only let me get in if I purchase the ticket in advance. So to make the long story short, after a very long discussion, he then finally lets me in. Medyo may tinawagan siya, I don't know. And then I saw inside that there was only less than a dozen moviegoers na nag-aantay na makita yung movie. Wala pa yatang 10 yung mga tao na nag-aantay doon. And there are still tickets available. I was already upset, so I've decided na sige sa iba na lang ako manonood dahil in all honesty medyo na bad trip na ako nun. But anyway, after watching this video clip na shinare ng ating kababayan na si Jeffrey, I understood and accepted that indeed, yeah, things do happen. And yes, we Filipino face reality with our heads high up. So, mabuti na lang dun sa nilipatan kong mall sa Robinsons Ortigas, Robinsons Galleria, uh, super friendly and accommodating ang mga guard doon. So, ayun, doon na lang ako nanood and I enjoyed the movie. So, if you want to watch the full video clip na shinare ng ating kababayan na artist nung Victor Tower sa may Opus Mall, I'll put the link on the description or maybe sa comment section.